Hey everybody, my name is JulieB. Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna make comfort food. It's been cold here and yeah, I need some comfort food. Today was the first day that we got out and since Friday, last week. We had an ice storm come through, so we've been cooped up for a couple of days, and today I got out. I went and got some stuff done, and now we're gonna make a comfort. Oh, my hair, look. We're expecting more of this crap coming through. So anyway, I'm gonna spin y'all around and show you what we're gonna need. We're gonna make one dish. Okay, this is my comfort go-to food. We need pasta noodles, chili powder, Italian seasoning, garlic, onion, tomato paste, diced tomatoes. This is like the Rotel tomato sauce. I'm going to put mushrooms in it. You can do anything you want. I'm going to use corn, an onion, and I think I'm going to use some cheese. I forgot the main thing, hamburger meat. Okay, so we got water, we got the snack stuff all over here. We haven't cleaned. Well, no, we cleaned at it. Yeah, we cleaned at it. But that's what happens. So I'm going to get my stuff together. I did a video the other day, and for some odd reason, guess what? Yeah, it didn't come through. I'm waiting on the stuff for my other what do we call it? That's Nay over there.
What in the world are you even talking about?
On my printer. We're waiting for the stuff on my printer.
You talk half.
I know. I was like,
and I'm supposed to read your mind. I don't think so.
Yeah, you are.
And then you read my mind.
Yep.
No, you don't.
I do too, Yoda.
Really?
Yeah.
Then what am I thinking?
That I need to shut up?
No.
That you need to scan that ticket?
No.
When's dinner ready?
No.
Well, I can't read her mind today.
I'm so glad.
Maybe it's bad. Okay, I'm going to spin y'all down and show you what we're going to do. I washed these the other day.
About 10 minutes. I'll do a little back rub from the Ponderosa. And it is a frozen mess. I think having to wait to scratch out chocolate bell told me it was a full little job. Get over here. Wasn't too bad, but there's definitely ice on the roads, especially on the back road. Mr. Dunkmark right there. Let's do something a little different. Kind of go to this slab.
Yes, I got cross timber bison on my TV.
Wake up, I don't know if I should. The situation isn't looking too good. Old couch with a new set of stains. If you got money in your pocket, I could go for some change. I said I'm too young to be acting my age. I'm so ironic when I'm hiding the pain. Let's call it bad luck. I'm so easy to trip. If you got magic up your sleeve, then I could go for a kid. If you have anything really. Cause all I got is conversations with strangers, pumped up and ready to go. On and off with somebody back in the backseat. I think I said something funny, but I forgot what it was. I'm getting through the knockouts every weekend, sleeping till somebody call. Got an L on my forehead that's reading early. I wanna be more than I wanna be. I wanna be that guy with the tie, lady with the pink Corvette, with a baby in a bed, yeah. Wanna close my eyes, wake up in a beach house, no doubt, red sunset. Wanna be someone that I can't be, wanna jump up one space to the front seat. Wanna be that clean guy in a taxi, but I got nowhere to go, nowhere to go. it's always the same. If you got money in your pocket, I could go for some change. If you got money in your pocket, I could go for some change. If you got money in your pocket, maybe. Cause all I got is conversations with strangers, pumped up and ready to go. On and off like somebody back in the backseat. I think I said something funny, but I forgot what it was. I'm getting to the knockouts every weekend, sleeping till somebody call. Got an L on my forehead that's reading ugly. I wanna be more than I wanna be. Where do you go to sleep at night? Say it ain't so. Please say it ain't so. Where do you go for divine delight? Is it someone I know? Someone from before? I know you so well, and I know how it feels when we fall. You're drifting away, and the wounds have turned into scars. It's tender, it's dark, and it's breaking my heart. Where do you go? In whose arms do you fall? Say it ain't so. Please say it ain't so. You know, forever ago, you were in my arms. We used to juggle with those who would know where to go. I know you so well, and I know how it feels when we fall. You're drifting away, and the wounds have turned into scars. It's tender, it's dark, and it's breaking my heart. I knew you so well. We all forgot. Yeah. I know you so well, and I know how it feels when we fall. You're drifting away, and the wounds have turned into scars. It's tender, it's dark, and it's breaking my heart. I know you so well, and I know how it feels when we fall. It's tender, it's dark, and it's breaking my heart.
have an extra bowl out there. I'd rather wash a bowl than a plate.
I'm gonna turn it on 10, 11.
I don't care.
Okay, well, no, I just want to let you know. That was new.
Okay, we can put the bread in the oven. I gotta put them in there.
What? Oh. Well, you said put them on the table, so that's what I did.
I don't know why I was thinking that.
And it didn't burn.
Would you let Robert have yours ready? Please.
As soon as I stop laughing and laughing.
Okay, everybody, that is dinner. This is what it looks like in the pot. I know y'all are probably going, Julie, why do you use, I didn't put yours on the table. I don't know how much you want. Julie, why do you use the same spoon for your pasta? Well, and I know I got another one out to scoop it with, but, oh, I forgot to put the avocado on it. But anyway, I forgot to put avocado on it. So it's not ready just yet. What I do is I squeeze the bottom of my avocado and it rips. Then that way you can get it all out in one piece. Well, maybe not. Knowing my luck, here, this is yours. I'm gonna put this other one over here. If you want this other one, you can have it. Oh, that avocado's good. Okay, now I got the avocado on it. So anyway, so if y'all want to try this out, I will put the recipe down below. Like I said, you make it your own. You can put whatever you want in it. You can put green beans. You can put corn. You can put rice. You can use rice instead of noodles. I'd use half a cup. And if you do half a cup of rice to 1 cup of water. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and show y'all our dinner. And that, my friends, is our dinner. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all need to try it. Like I said, do it to your taste. And we will talk to y'all later. See ya. Bye.